guys, today I'm going to tell you about a couple of products that I tried from the new Yes To Superblueberries line, and at the end of this video I'll announce a giveaway that I'm hosting. Now I love Yes To skincare products. I posted a video a while back on the Yes To Tomatoes sheet mask, which I will link below if you'd like to see it. So I was so excited when Yes To contacted me to see if I would like to try a couple of products from their new Yes To Superblueberries line. It's just such a happy brand. You've got Yes To carrots, Yes To cucumbers, Yes To tomatoes. It's just so much fun. And they make natural products. Their products are at least 95% natural. They don't contain parabens, and they're made with recyclable materials. So the products that I tried are the Yes To Superblueberries Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotics 3-in-1 Mask, Scrub, and Cleanser. And I also tried the Yes To Superblueberries Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotic DIY Moisturizing Parfait Moisturizer and Booster. And in terms of full disclosure, I did receive these products complimentary from Yes To. However, all of the opinions that I provide in this video are my own. The Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotics 3-in-1 Mask Scrubbing Cleanser contains, well, Greek yogurt and probiotics, and it's made for stressed skin. It's made to recharge and rebalance the skin. And it's made to make your skin look healthy and radiant. Again, it contains 95% natural ingredients. It does not contain any parabens, SLS, or silicones. And it's a rich, creamy formula, and it has exfoliating beads in it and a really nice, clean scent. And it comes in a tub, and you just pop the top off to get the product out. And on the lid, it's got a spoon to help with the application. And it can be used as a mask, a scrub, or a cleanser. That's why it's a 3-in-1. My favorite way to use it is as a weekly mask at night at the end of a day, once a week, to just make me feel relaxed and pampered while doing something good for my skin. So when I use this mask, first I wipe my makeup off with Yes To Blueberries facial wipes, and then I scoop a small amount of the mask onto the included spoon and apply it to my skin. And I use the flip side of the spoon to even out the formula, and then I leave the mask on for 10 minutes, but you can leave it on for up to 15 if you like. And then I rinse my face with water and gently activate the exfoliating beads for a gentle scrub while I'm rinsing. So I love how my skin feels after I use this mask. Once a week is great for me, and my skin feels purified and clean and soft. It makes my skin feel so soft, and it helps my moisturizer and other skincare products absorb better. So I absolutely love this mask. And again, I prefer to use this as a mask, but you can use it however you want. You can use it as a cleanser, as a scrub, or as a mask. The Yes To Superblueberries Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotic DIY Moisturizing Parfait Moisturizer and Booster is made to recharge, hydrate, and treat stressed skin. Again, this also contains Greek yogurt and probiotics. It has a dual chamber system that lets you customize your blend by dispensing just the right amount of moisturizer for hydration with the Superblueberries Booster, which is a lightweight gel, and that helps protect skin. Now this is a really nice moisturizer. This also has a nice, clean, fresh scent, just like the mask. It has pretty much the same scent, and it moisturizes your skin without being too heavy. It works well under makeup, although it does not have an SPF in it, so that's something that you might want to be aware of. And you can also use it as your nighttime moisturizer. So if you have stressed skin, you might want to give this Yes To Superblueberries products a try. I really liked the ones that I tried, so definitely if you like Yes To products, or if you're looking for something new, definitely give these a try. And now to announce my giveaway. Yes To sent me a few other products that I would like to share with one lucky subscriber as a thank you to my subscribers. So let me show you what you will get in this giveaway, and then I will tell you the rules. The first product is the Yes To Cotton Mud Mask, the Yes To Grapefruit Vitamin C Boosting Sleeping Mask, a little pack of Yes To Cucumbers Facial Wipes, and also from Yes To Cucumbers, their Calming Paper Mask, the Yes To Miracle Oil Argan Lip Oil, and the Yes To Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. So if you would like to win these Yes To products, then here are the rules for the giveaway. The rules for the giveaway are posted in the description section of this video, and the link to the giveaway is also in the description section. You can also find all of this information on my blog. You do need to be 18 years of age or older to enter. This giveaway is international and it's for my subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can enter the giveaway. And there are also some bonus entries as well. This video is running until April 2nd, and I will choose the winner on April 3rd via a random generator. I will email the winner on April 3rd, and the winner will have 24 hours to get back to me. If the winner does not reply within 24 hours, I'll go ahead and choose another winner. But all of the rules, like I said, are in the description section and on my blog. So I hope you'll enter the giveaway, and I hope that if you win, that you like the products. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried Yes To products, and if so, what is your favorite? Be sure and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, enter my giveaway, and I will see you all next time. Bye!